Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do today is go over our Dega rewards update. This is going to be for the Cardano ISPO. So for those of you that are in the ISPO for the Dega 1, comment down below, what are your rewards? I want to know. I want to see who is beating me. Not that it's a competition, but it is fun to compare, right? So definitely do that, and also subscribe, like this video as well. That is the one way you can help us out here on the channel. So right here, we're looking at Dega.org. So for those of you that don't know, there's been an ISPO that's been ongoing for several epochs now. And there's one other thing I want to get into as well, and that is that the specifics to your rewards, it's starting to show now. So I want to get into that, and I think it's very interesting. So go to Dega, you're going to go to ISPO, and they do also have the Polkadot, the dot ISPO happening right now as well. So here I've got my Cardano rewards. So again, if you go to Dega, you're going to go to rewards dashboard, and you can select Cardano. Okay. So we're going to go under Cardano, and we're also going to do a little tally. So let me get the calculator going as well. And comment down below if you guys are enjoying these little Dega updates. I know some of you are for sure. And if you want to learn how to check out your updates for the rewards, you can definitely subscribe and check out our other videos as well. So we're going to add up our total here. So it looks like we've got a live stake of 39, almost 100, so 97, 17,200, 97, and 3,027. So this is our stake address. You want to paste your stake address, and I've got 5 wallets, so 5 total wallets where I'm delegating to this ISPO. So let's begin to add this. So we've got 54, so we're just going to round up the number up or down and just get it close. So we got 55 plus, let's say 135 plus 18,400 plus, let's say 145 plus 4,000. Let's just do 250. Get it close. 4,250. That brings us to a grand total. We could have probably hit 23,000, but we're at 22,985 Dega. So that's really cool. So definitely comment down below. What is your number? I would like to know. By the way, Dega is doing a really good job, and they are a project that's coming out where they're helping out gaming and metaverse projects, specifically with the UI, so their user interface, as well as bringing products for these projects to do well in the long term. So that's really cool. And what I wanted to get into is this. They have this beautiful drop-down menu, and they have specifics over what you're accumulating each epoch. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to zoom in a little bit here. So if we zoom in, this is one of my wallets. Now let's go to my main one. This one's been delegating. I guess they've all been delegating the same period, but this one has the most. So let's go to this wallet. And if we scroll down, okay, we've got the 624. You can see that 4-hour stake. So there's a couple of ways to get the bonus. And the main way you're going to earn the most tokens is just by the amount of tokens that you're staking. So this is my largest wallet. That's where I'm going to earn the most. So there's staking, there's partner, and then there is the NFT in the bonus extra. So there's a couple different ways. So we've gone over that in a separate video. So if you go to Crypto Moose, type in Dega. And if you want to learn more exactly how to get into this ISPO, watch this video. That is the best video to watch, this one, the Dega multi-chain ISPO. So check that out. So you can see here when we first started, I got the stake rewards, which was 435. Partner, so that's because I hold Copy and Meld in my wallet. That's 21. Then I started earning 600 per epoch with 31 instead of 21. Then I minted my NFT. So we show you how to do that. We have a dedicated video. So now it looks like I'm earning between 800 to 1,000. And the latest one, that's with, I believe I have 17,000 staked. Yeah, about 17,000. I earned 1,200 Dega for just staking with my amount. I got a duration bonus of 96 plus a partner bonus of 60 and an NFT bonus of 60. So you can really see that the rewards are growing. And also, if we take a look here, if you are into the Matic, the Polkadot, you can go to the drop down and you can begin to accumulate there as well. So I'm not participating in the Polkadot ISPO. And there's a couple of reasons for that, mainly because I don't have a lot. So yeah, definitely subscribe. You guys can also click on the link in the description. We've got a free Cardano mini course. So if you click on that link, it will take you to that link for you to get access to the course. You get all the lectures in a video format, MP4, I believe, and you also get a workbook. So for whatever reason, it's not loading right now. Let's see if we can get that to reload. So we have a couple other links here. Maybe we could even go to this one. Well, for whatever reason, it's not loading. But we do have a link tree. So yeah, for whatever reason, it's not loading now. We've run into an issue. Okay, well, we do have links, so definitely check out the link tree. We do have a lot of online courses. Of course, you can check out our Instagram. Go to our TikTok. You know, the moose is getting loose all over the place. So that's about it. Also, if you guys want to check out what I'm up to, go to pool.pm, type in Redcape, REDCAPE. These are my current holdings. So it's a quick way for you to get access to what I am thinking, what's going on in my head. So that being said, everybody, I hope you enjoyed it. We do have a Trezor affiliate link as well, because if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese. Make sure to back up your cryptos and NFTs. So that's all I got. We'll see you guys later.